Ian, we're at Advanced Manufacturing Show, NEC. Now, you've got something quite interesting, obviously attached to the robot here. Could you explain to me what it's about?
Right, this is the latest laser scanner from Creaform. Creaform's a Canadian company we've been acting with now for 10 years. What they've done is they've developed handheld scanning technology in the past, but with this incarnation, they've integrated the scanner onto an industrial robot. So what we've done here for the exhibition is we put it onto one of the new collaborative robots. So it's small scale right now, but we can put this on any size of industrial robot. Now the beauty of this is it can be used by anybody. So most robots require specialist robot integrators to program the robot, develop the integration. With this one, it literally came out of the box yesterday, we plugged it in, programmed it, and we're using it.
So no training then?
There's a little bit of training, probably 1 or 2 days maximum, that's all that's required. So anybody who's used to doing manual scanning can put this on the shop floor, into a metrology room, wherever they want to use it, and have automated scanning within days.
So really you could turn this into a CMM then?
That's what it is. I mean, we always say to people, this is a CMM, it just doesn't look like a CMM. So what we've got really is the ability to move the scanner around in space, so it could be on the end of a 3-axis CMM, but in this case on the end of a 7-axis arm. So you've got CMM technology, although it just doesn't look like it. Now, if we take that one step further, the software that's driving this is a product called Metrolog X4 iRobot. That software was originally developed for CMMs, so it's a fully programmable CMM software. But Metrologic, who developed the software, have now connected directly to the robot, and the software is driving the robot from the metrology software. The only other way to do that, which a lot of other people try to do, is have a robot programmer to program the robot, a metrology engineer to program the metrology, and then in some way try to make the two talk to each other. With this, it's one software, one product, but it's fully integrated.
And what type of companies would it be aimed for? Where would it really sort of get the best use?
Well, I think what you see here is a classic example. We've got a sheet metal part. This is off a car from a UK company. Aerospace components. A big market right now is castings, where people want to measure castings very quickly. Because one of the things we can do with this as well is we can integrate a rotary table. So we can measure parts of the castings and turn the casting and then carry on measuring. So aluminium castings, engine blocks, sheet metal parts. So you can see it's automotive aerospace. That's the traditional market.
But not just blue chip companies, but also the subcontracting market, hence why you're here, I suppose.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, these type of robots, the collaborative robots, that's really aimed at the subcontracting market. You know, we take this system here, that complete solution there is probably going to cost the user £120,000, whereas a large-scale robot with all the integration, you're looking at $250,000, 300,000, 400,000 quite easily. So this is really aimed at the smaller subcontractors who want to automate measurement.
And Creaform is one of your biggest selling products, isn't it, in the UK?
Yeah, I mean, Creaform, we've been partnering with them for 10 years now in the UK. We are the sole UK reseller. We're actually the largest distributor in Europe, so we've had a lot of experience with Creaform products, so it's a big seller for us, for sure.
And for engineers that haven't been to the show, how can you demo this?
Right, well, there's two ways. Obviously, they can come to the show and see it. That's the obvious way. But all this equipment is portable. So this can all go in the back of a car. We will come to site, we will demonstrate to the user, show him on his parts how to scan his data, and we can carry out the full end-to-end process in minutes. It's very, very simple.
Very unique product. Thanks very much, Ian.
Thank you, Mark. Glad to see you again.